Hi, welcome back to the garden. It is Sunday, July 17th. We have an emergency in the garden. Come on, let's take a look.
My wife said, "What are those things growing out there?" You know, I've tried to grow asparagus beans for a couple years and never had any success. Wonder if these things taste any good.
Tastes like a bean. It's awesome. I think the emergency is going to be I didn't bring a container out here and I'm going to have too many tomatoes. I know I'm not acting like there's an emergency because there really isn't. But when you see what I saw at 3 o'clock this afternoon, what I'd like to talk about today is one of the defense mechanisms some of the broadleaf plants have when it's really hot. At 3 o'clock it was only 101 degrees, full sun. As you walk up on the garden, the first thing you see is yellow squash and zucchini. Not to panic. Let's come out and check them in an hour. The way I have this garden set up, most everything gets 6 plus a little bit of direct sunlight. First bit of shade's coming across the zucchini. They're perking up. The cucumbers are still in full sun. They're still protecting themselves. And when it's that intense and you're not going to have any shade, you might want to take some kind of precautions, especially this hot. Some kind of shade cloth or something. But I knew it was going to be okay. So come on, let's take a look. Come around a little bit. Squash doesn't look like it's been hurt at all. I think we're going to have to let this zucchini grow another day. And look at this. The cucumbers are doing just fine. Now it's 6:30. The sun's just now going back behind the trees. And it's still over 103 degrees out here. And there isn't a breath of wind. Now this baby stuff, I have had this watering jug out here a couple times. We do want to help them out while it's this warm. Now when we looked at these a little bit ago, you would have swore they were about done. They come back just fine. But that's just a defense mechanism for the plants to help preserve their own water. Oh, I see something. Come around here. And what goes good with tomatoes? A cucumber. Now we've talked quite a bit about the deep mulch. The deep mulch does keep the ground cooler, and it also helps preserve the moisture. We still have quite a few buckets full of water, and that's to get us through tomorrow until we can fill them back up. But these didn't need any water today. I am going to go ahead and put some water on these in the morning before it gets real warm. But aside from that, I think they're making it through this heat pretty well. You can do this too. A little pre-planting, some mulch, you can make it through the heat of the summer. I want to thank you for stopping by and looking at this emergency. I'm going to go have me some supper. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.